Hi, this is Brian with WTI. And this little treasure I found just blew me away. It's a clear crystal storage jar, but it's so much more than that. It's like a tiny time capsule straight from the 1600s. The coolest part is that its surface is etched with a raised design, like a mini historical mural. It adds a touch of old world elegance to my home, and trust me, it's a real head turner. It can be used for many things, like keeping the candies away from your kids, storing your jewelry in an elegant way, or surprise your girlfriend with a proposal. I don't know, it just came out of my head. So, if you're looking for a way to add some timeless charm and sprinkle of history to your space, you gotta check out these. They are more than just storage, they are mini portals to the past. And that's my point of view.